Hello, we are making a butterfly today. Welcome to my channel. This is the cute butterfly we are making with a magic loop in a very easy method. I hope you are going to learn it and you are going to make it for yourself. You can even use it in the accessories like hairpin or even jewelry. So let's start making this beautiful butterfly. We are using 3 mm crochet hook number and any color of yarn that is of your choice. Let's start with a magic loop. We are going to start with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to make double crocheting or triple crochet with 2 loops on the hook and 3 times take out the yarn. 1, 2, 3. This is the first one we have created. Now the second, we have to make 4 like this. 3 and 4. Four chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch. Again 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over 2 times and 3 times to take out. Yarn over 2 times like this and 3 times to take out. 1, 2, 3. This is triple crochet. Yarn over 2 times and 3 times to take out. Last time we have to do because we are making it 4. 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 times chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slip stitch. We have to maintain our magic loop so it should not lose the thread. 2 times chains and 4 times double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 chains, slip stitch, 2 chains, 4 times double crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times chains and slip stitch. One more slip stitch we will do at the very first chain area of the first wing of the butterfly. Here, cut the thread. Now we have to stretch the yarn from the center to close the magic loop. I will also take this front yarn to the back and make sure that your center is quite close. Now I'm going to sew from the back, give a knot, and I will just simply cut the thread. The basic part is done. Now with the other color, or if you want to make with the same color, doesn't matter, it's all your choice. So I'm just giving you a demonstration with another color. We have to take and start making chains 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the 4th time, we have to stretch the yarn little bit up. This is very important to know that how we are going to do this. Stretch the yarn little bit up. We have a gap here. And put your butterfly inside it and make it up like this. The antenna should be at the bigger side of the wings. Now stretch the yarn to make it close. I will wrap twice or thrice. And make the other antenna from the back side like this. The back of any of the loop from back, from under the thread, take the yarn like this and make the second antenna. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stretch the yarn little bit and cut. Adjust the wings. We have to make it sure that both of the edges are equally hold your equal sides, and then cut from here to give them an equal look. So our beautiful butterfly is ready.